Hello, YouTube. Anyway, this is Back from the Sky, as you probably know. Looking to do, not an unboxing, but more of a sharing of my order from Grayson Hobby. Oh my gosh, am I excited. Anyway, check it out, guys. Not one, two ET 115 versions 2, 3S. Hoping to get a lot of use out of these guys. I have to figure out how to use a lot of this stuff. But, you know, like everything, look into it. Here we have the charger that I am hoping to charge a bunch of 3S batteries at one time with the help of my parallel multi-charge board. Love it. Moving on down to the left, gentlemen and women and ladies. X-Lite Red Sexy Controller. Woohoo! That should be a lot of fun. That's what I'm used to. And yay! My tiny hook is back. The other one broke. Yes, it broke. So, had to get another one. Plenty of props. Oh my gosh, I got like 16 or better. Bunch of 1S batteries. Picked up 5, actually. It's 10 altogether, but I picked up an extra 8 batteries from Grayson. These two, they came with the actual units inside. They each come with one. Then, of course, need these bad boys to put into the X-Lite controller. Quick mention. Oops, not too suave. Anyway, Grayson added these extra 2 end caps for my X-Lite. Not sure why, but thank you. Guys at Grayson are really good, helpful, and man, they made this happen quick. And of course, I have to charge my X-Lite batteries. I already had this charger from my vaping mods. So, 2 and 2 spare. Guess who is like a little kid on Christmas? Super, super early. So that's the new stuff. Just give you a really quick of my other drones, the Mambo. The Mambo. With my Star Wars character up there. I'm using my phone, guys, sorry. Yellow Tello. Blue Tello. Maybe you guys can tell I like 2 of everything. 1 Spark. 1 M80. Have a lot of fun with that guy. And in that black bag is my Mavic Air. So, ladies and gents, that is it. Back from the Sky needs to get back into the sky so I can make videos and share with all my friends on YouTube and family. Anyway, until next time, everyone, have a great day, and we'll catch up to you soon. Signing off, Back from the Sky. Carlitos way. Take care, guys.